Welcome back to another vlog. I'm with Nana. She's going back to our country. She's going back to Ochi today, but she came over for Christmas and stuff, as you guys saw. We have dance fit today, which is at the waterfront. We have festive Fridays today, which is at the bistro in Ocho Rios, and we usually have reggae controls party at Devon House, but it not keeping today. It start back on the 4th of January. But anyways, guys, I hope you had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a good New Year's. The mommy there. Kiss Dada? No.
So nice. Look at them. Oh, beautiful.
They're beautiful.
She just said that.
Oh my god, Amira just said they're beautiful. This is amazing.
Wait for me. Yes, a doggy.
Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. Well, guys, so I'm actually ill, which is really annoying, but I had some leaf of life again. Hopefully it knocks it right out like what happened last time. Yes, my darling. I'm about to bath Amira. We're spending the night together, obviously, as a family, and bringing in the new year, so I'll bring you guys along. Yes. Hey, loves. So we just finished eating. Yeah, talk to the people, them. Say hi. Caesar, say hi. Hi.
Mommy.
Every time I start talking to the camera, she does this. Leave my lips. So we just finished eating. I whipped up some corned beef and rice real quick, and we had that. So we're about to go finish filming the intro. Let us know down below how you are absolutely loving the new intro, people. What in the sniffer nose?
No.
Baby, can I be great? Give mommy some camera time. Look.
I really don't think there's been no infidelity, but I think Savari says no to sign a prenup. It might look like he has something to hide. So I think he should just make the sacrifice.
Baby, where's Nene? Where's Nene? Where's Nene? Guys, we didn't even give her any sugar. Oh my god. We didn't even give her any sugar. How you just gonna step up? Show them how pretty you are.
Mommy, see today. Mommy.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Wow. Beautiful. No. No. Alright, so it is post notification shout out time, and the first post notification shout out goes to Stacy Hendricks. Notification gang, my faves. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you so much. The next notification shout out goes to Khalil Grange. Shout out to you. Next shout out and last shout out for, oh my god, this is the last shout out for the new year 2019. Last notification shout out goes to MT. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is hit that bell button so that you know when we upload videos, so that you don't miss out. Also, comment down below. Notification gang, and we'll for sure shout you out in the next.
Rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say you're strong. Nothing can stop you.
Yeah. Look! Kuyaga Boogie, look. You hurt yourself.
Oh my god. That's not fair, right?
Happy New Year! Bake it. Tristan, thank you so much. Wishing me all the best, Asika. Happy New Year, Kiki. Happy New Year, Natalia. Happy New Year, Rayson. I need to test my eyes. So guys, this is her first real, I say this is her first real like year, because obviously last year, yes my darling, wait, hang on, last year she was so young, she didn't really understand anything.
Alright.
It's her first real Christmas, real New Year's, where she's like alert and aware of everything. So we're actually vlogging right now, guys. So I'm talking to the vlog over there. Happy New Year, Shiva! Happy New Year, Minnie! Happy New Year, Tommy Chin! I was like, mommy, like grabbing onto me when the fireworks went off. Yes, baby. But then afterwards, she started enjoying it.
I'm trying to play.
Happy New Year, my babies! Happy New Year!
Jamie's smiling.